new day begins at the peaceful farm, but a problem awaits our little hero.
Oh, the tractor is broken, and the harvest is waiting!
Time to get to work. Nothing can stop our brave monkey farmer. He thinks hard. How can he fix the tractor before the sun sets?
Every tool counts in this critical moment!
With skill and courage, he starts fixing the tractor piece by piece. A little patience goes a long way.
Success! The tractor is alive again! Now for the juicy harvest!
With courage and cleverness, the monkey farmer leads the way. Our little monkey farmer begins the harvest journey across the beautiful farm.
Look at those juicy jackfruits! It's time to start harvesting!
Our clever monkey climbs the tree like a true farm expert.
And there it is, the first delicious jackfruit of the day. Perfect throw! The harvest has begun.
The hard-working monkey continues harvesting fruit after fruit.
But suddenly, strong winds begin to shake the trees. Oh no! The tractor is in danger! Our brave monkey leaps into action! Saved just in time! The harvest can continue.
Our hard-working monkey carefully loads the sweet jackfruits onto the tractor.
The harvest is going well, and the tractor is working perfectly again. Another tree full of juicy jackfruits waits to be harvested.
Our clever monkey climbs higher and higher. With careful hands, he prepares another perfect fruit.
Right on target! What a perfect harvest! The crate is filling up quickly! What a great harvest day!
The tractor trailer is finally full.
Now it's time to bring the harvest home!
With the tractor full of sweet jackfruits, the monkey farmer begins the journey home. The farm animals cheer as the hard-working monkey passes by. Finally, the monkey farmer reaches the farmhouse.
What a wonderful harvest!
Every fruit is precious after such a long day of work. The farm friends gather to see the sweet harvest.
Inside every jackfruit is a sweet reward!
Hard work is always sweeter when shared with friends. It has been a long but successful day on the farm. And so, the brave monkey farmer saves the day once again.